Welcome to one of the most unique and convenient luxury stays in Asia, the Crowne Plaza, Changi Airport, located at Terminal 3 of Changi Airport in Singapore. This hotel offers unmatched convenience for travelers, whether you're just arriving, departing, or simply looking for a staycation. The hotel is seamlessly connected to the airport and just steps away from the iconic Jewel Changi Airport, making it one of the best located hotels on the island. With a total of 570 rooms and suites, the hotel blends the comfort of a resort with the functionality of a business hotel. Each room is designed with calming, modern style, featuring premium bedding, spacious bathrooms, and even runway views in selected rooms, offering a unique aviation experience you won't find anywhere else. One of the biggest highlights of this hotel is its award-winning reputation. It has been named the world's best airport hotel multiple times, including recent top honors at the Skytrax World Airport Awards, making it a trusted choice for travelers worldwide. When it comes to the best time to visit, Singapore is a year-round destination, thanks to its tropical climate. However, the months between February and April are often considered ideal due to slightly lower rainfall and plenty of sunshine, perfect for exploring nearby attractions. Speaking of attractions, the hotel's location puts you right at the Jewel of Changi Airport, home to the world-famous indoor waterfall and a wide range of shopping and dining options. You're also just a short drive or MRT ride from the city center, where you can visit places like the Singapore Botanic Gardens or the vibrant nightlife areas of Clarke Quay and Boat Quay. Back at the hotel, guests can enjoy a beautiful outdoor pool surrounded by lush greenery, a fully equipped fitness center, and excellent dining options, all designed to create a peaceful, resort-like atmosphere right next to one of the world's busiest airports. Whether you're traveling for business, leisure, or just passing through, the Crowne Plaza at Changi Airport offers a seamless blend of luxury, comfort, and convenience. So if you're planning your next trip to Singapore, this could be the perfect place to stay. I have driven by this hotel many times going in and out of this airport, but I've never stayed here. It's got awesome reviews, 8.9 out of 10 on Agoda, with over 23,000 reviews. That's pretty amazing. I will put the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check it out on your dates and check out the availability and the price. Right now I'm looking at about $260 US for a night here, which is not bad considering this is a 5-star hotel in one of the busiest airports in the world. One of the nicest in my opinion as well. I have always liked going through this airport. It's always been relatively simple compared to most airports. And this is a 5-star hotel in a place that's not necessarily, Singapore, considered cheap. And like I said, I will put the link to Agoda in the video description if you want more information. Alright guys, there it is as always. Thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one.